Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Nandini Shivhare. I am from Nursing Department, Rama University. My designation is Nursing Tutor. Today's topic, meningitis. So, here we will see about definition, causes and types, clinical features, diagnostic evaluation, treatment, immunization and complication. So, what is meningitis? Meningitis means this meninges. Meninges is brain layer or layer of brain, the third layer of brain. And itis means inflammation. So, we can say the inflammation of meninges layer. The next, causes. Causes and types, they are both same. Causes mainly viral, bacterial, fungal and some other types of causes. And types are, these are same types of meningitis, viral, bacterial and fungus. The bacterial mainly include bacterial, coccus, pneumococcus and meningococcus and listeria. Next one, viral. In viral includes like enterovirus, herpes simplex virus, mumps and measles. Next one, the fungus. In fungal mainly under this virus, fungal cryptococcus and the others such as chemical reaction, drug allergies, some type of cancer. Next we will see about clinical features or sign and symptom. The sign and symptoms mainly include in meningitis, sudden high fever, stiff neck, severe headache that seems different than normal headache with nausea and vomiting, confusion or difficulty concentrating. Next one, seizures, sleepiness or difficulty in walking, sensitivity to light or you can call photophobia. Next, no appetite or thirst, skin rashes like such as in meningococcal in cases of skin rashes. Next one, in newborn infants are meningitis. In some cases newborn seen are mainly clinical features, high fever, constant crying, excessive sleepiness or irritability, inactivity or sluggishness, poor feeding, a bulge in the soft spot on the top of baby's head and stiffness in a baby on the body or neck. Next we will see diagnostic. In diagnostic, number first, history collection, then CT scan and MRI. So, history collection related to what types of causes are present like viral, bacterial and fungus, and CT scan and MRI both in meningitis cases where the meningitis or like viral or bacterial, which types are present in meningitis. Next one, CSF analysis. CSF analysis. CSF means cerebrospinal fluid. In CSF analysis mainly LP. LP means lumbar puncture mainly procedure we will done. Next one, in meningitis cases mainly two sign very important. First one, Brudzinski sign. Brudzinski sign. And next one, Kerning sign. Kerning sign. So, mainly two important sign here we will see in meningitis. What types of two sign? Brudzinski sign and Kerning sign. Then how is mainly checking for Brudzinski sign and Kerning sign? Brudzinski sign mainly, firstly we will check the baby. Baby is mainly in supine position, and in supine position mainly the neck. Neck is extend to the mainly chin brings to the chest, and the leg is mainly extend. Then the baby is mainly the neck is mainly stiffness and baby will cry. Next, the Kerning sign. Kerning sign, what we will check in Kerning sign? The Kerning sign same as in Brudzinski sign, but the thing is mainly different. In babies mainly lie down in supine position and the leg is extend up to 90 degree. The baby not extend 90 degree and mainly the pain will in leg or calf muscles. These are two signs is very important for meningitis. First one, Brudzinski sign, and second one, Kerning sign. Next we will see about treatment of meningitis. So meningitis, so treatment will depend upon causes like viral, bacterial and fungus. So baby having what type of meningitis, the treatment or medical management depend upon causes and types. Like if baby having viral meningitis, the mainly medication giving at antiviral medication, or baby having bacterial, so baby given to medication or antibiotic, and like that antifungal medicine. Next thing in meningitis, immunization is very important. Immunization. In immunization, like in meningitis, what type of baby having meningitis like viral or bacterial or fungal, then we will give an immunization schedule in some cases like Hep B vaccine. Hep B vaccine. Hep B vaccine means Haemophilus influenza type B vaccine, and second one, pneumococcal conjugate vaccine. The mainly thing is that the what type of meningitis can occur in baby, so we will give to immunization according to types and causes. Next and last one, complication of meningitis. Complication of meningitis. In complication mainly the baby having in complication severe seizure and the hearing loss and memory difficulty, learning disabilities, and also can brain damage and shock and death. The mainly in complication are where we will see about hearing loss, memory difficulty, learning disability and brain damage. So this is about meningitis. So what we have seen in meningitis, mainly definitions, causes and types. The mainly causes are viral, bacterial and fungal, and also some other types or other causes. Then next one we will see about clinical features, diagnostic evaluation, treatment, immunization schedule and also complication. Thank you all.